In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple rows in Smartsheet. Let's start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, you can either begin something new or jump into an existing sheet. If you're kicking off a fresh build, choose the option to start a new project, program, or process. That will spin up a new sheet or template where you can work. If you're adding rows to something you already have, look at the suggested section on Home to quickly find recent items you've opened. If you don't see it there, switch to All Workspaces. This view shows every workspace you have access to, which is great for finding shared sheets. Click into the appropriate workspace, then open the specific sheet you want to update. Once the sheet is open in the grid view, decide exactly where the new rows should go. Click to select the row that's just above or just below your desired location. Now right-click that row to open the context menu. Choose Insert Row above if you want the new row to appear above your selection, or Insert Row below if you want it to appear underneath. Smartsheet will add a blank row that matches your sheet's column structure, so you can immediately start entering data. To add multiple rows, simply repeat that insert action as many times as you need. Right-click, insert, and keep going until you've got the number of rows you want. There's another quick option too. Look for the small plus sign at the bottom of the grid. Clicking that plus sign adds additional rows, and you can click it repeatedly to add several in a row. This is especially handy when you're building out a long list and want to keep adding blank space without breaking your flow. A few tips to make this smoother. Pick the right anchor row before you insert so your new rows land exactly where they should. If your sheet uses column formulas, those will typically carry down to newly inserted rows, which saves time and reduces errors. If not, you can copy formatting or formulas from a nearby row after you insert. If you make a mistake, don't worry, undo is your friend and you can try again. Also remember that your ability to insert rows depends on your sheet permissions. You'll need the right level of access to make structural changes. Finally, keep an eye on any dropdowns or required fields in your columns so that the new rows stay consistent with your data rules. And that's it. Open your sheet, right-click to insert above or below, or use the plus sign at the bottom and repeat until you've added all the rows you need.